In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Simple Swap. You can swap any crypto that you have for any crypto that you need. You just simply go to simpleswap.io and let's just say you happen to have Bitcoin, but you need Ethereum or you need, any of these others. You can just type in what you need and you figure out exactly how much you need. And there's a simple way of doing it. You can go to Google and type in Ethereum to Bitcoin if that's what you want, and it will give you a ratio. And you can just click on one of these, and it will give you like an analogy. Let's see, not that one, but you can the conversion rates. So you go BTC to USD if you need to, and you'll see there's a little calculator that pops up how much Bitcoin. Let's say you had $1,000 to spend in Bitcoin. It is 0.026. So once you figure out the exact amount that you need, in this particular instance, I need 1.4 of Ethereum. So this is pretty close to 1.4. Exchange it from Bitcoin to Ethereum. You don't have to log in. Although I would recommend that you create an account and log in so they have a record of it. You just click the exchange button and then you enter in the recipient's Ethereum address right here. That's where you paste it and you click create an exchange, and then the next will be a barcode that will pop up and you fund the barcode without a Bitcoin. Takes up to about an hour, and then the Ethereum is going to show up in this wallet right here that you chose. You can also, on Simple Swap, purchase using a credit card. You can buy crypto right here. You click here, you need to log in, but you can actually use a credit card and purchase crypto on Simple Swap as well.